Good morning and welcome to another Emmy Award-winning episode of the Railway Rocket Report. I'm Sierra.
And I'm Julian.
We have a lot of great news from you today from Railway Elementary and beyond.
Today is Monday, January 12th. We'll start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin.
We are continuing our segment of staff trivia. Each day we will have a clue about a secret staff member here at Railway. It is up to you to put together the daily clues of the mystery staff member. First clue.
This staff member likes all kinds of pasta. Tune in tomorrow for another clue. Our PBS focus for the week is classroom expectations. Be sure to raise your hand when you have something to say.
Today for lunch is, yep, you guessed it, a tossed green salad. Let's finish with our random fact of the day. Cats can't taste sweets.
That's all for now. Have a great day.
Stay classy, Railway.